Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying out the drill handpiece, power unit, collet, and a bit. This prevents scrambling mid-assembly. Once done, visually inspect cords and connectors for frays and confirm the unit voltage matches your outlet so you avoid electrical issues. Make sure the collet size is 1/8 inch for standard bits. If not, select the correct adapter. Put on safety glasses before touching the bit. These first actions ensure a smooth, safe assembly and reduce rework later. You now focus on the handpiece. Insert the collet into its socket and turn until finger snug so alignment stays true. Once in place, slide your chosen bit into the collet with about 1 to 2 millimeters visible. This prevents slipping and ensures proper balance. Then, use the supplied wrench to tighten firmly, but not excessively, so the bit seats without damaging threads. If your model has a quick release, engage it and check bit rotation by hand to confirm secure installation. Before moving, you finish by connecting the handpiece cable to the power unit and plugging into a grounded outlet, ensuring the switch is off first. Then set speed to a low RPM and run a short forward and reverse test without contact to confirm smooth rotation and that bearings sound normal. Make sure the foot pedal, if used, responds smoothly. If you notice wobble, unusual noise, or heat, power down and reseat the bit and collet. Retest until rotation is straight and quiet to avoid damage or injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.